How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on three lines at the top right, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down till you find Activity Log and click on Activity Log. After that, you'll find blue color rectangle shapes in here. Scroll to the left till you find Watched History or Videos Watched. Click on Videos Watched. And then here you'll find your history. I have not watched any reels, so there is none. If you had watched any videos, you will find it here, and above that you'll find clear history. Simply click on clear history and all the reels history will be cleared. This is how to delete reels history on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.